Walmart checking out how our chicken supply is and the prices on it. For that young chicken right there, that is $1.32 a pound. Yes, $1.32 a pound. So, and we do have some here. And we got our chicken legs, $2.62 a pound. Yes, $2.62 a pound. Kind of nuts, huh? Down here you can get the ground chicken for $2.98 a pound. And they've got $6.38 will get you that 10-pound bag of chicken quarters, $5.94 a pound, which will get you the chicken drumsticks, 5 pounds of it. Up here we have price per pound, $3.56 for those chicken wings. Yes, it will cost you a hearty $16.34, or over here, $18.26. So definitely the price of chicken is unreal. Here's some chicken breasts. Those are $14.97 for that pack, which is $2.97 a pound. So that's what our chicken is looking like today. If you can get your hands on some chicken and pressure cook it or put it in the freezer, now would be the time to do it before it goes up any higher.